The 2025 Guide to Smart Space-Saving Gardening, Growing More in Less Space. If you think gardening is only for those with sprawling backyards, think again. The biggest trend for 2025 is smart, compact gardening, a movement that empowers people to grow herbs, vegetables, and even fruits in small or unconventional spaces. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a narrow window ledge, or just a funny corner in your kitchen, this approach makes gardening accessible to everyone. With food prices climbing and concerns over sustainability growing, more people are turning to DIY food production than ever before. Urban gardening is no longer just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. One of the most popular techniques gaining momentum is vertical gardening. Instead of spreading your garden horizontally, you build upward. Shelves, hanging pots, stackable planters, and even repurposed pallets are all fair game. Not only do these setups save space, but they also create eye-catching displays. In fact, many city dwellers are now turning their balconies into lush, vertical oases. You can grow herbs like basil, mint, and thyme, or compact veggies like cherry tomatoes and lettuce. The key is using lightweight containers with good drainage and choosing varieties bred for containers. In 2025, you'll find entire seed lines labeled balcony-friendly, or mini varieties. Another ongoing innovation in the gardening world is companion planting, a method where certain plants are grown together to enhance each other's growth and protection. This old farming technique has been revived for modern, small space use. Basil planted near tomatoes can enhance flavor and deter pests. Marigolds not only add color, but also repel harmful insects when planted alongside beans or squash. The trick is understanding which plants get along and can share space efficiently. More urban gardeners are following illustrated companion planting charts to maximize every square inch of their garden. This method doesn't just make your garden more productive, it creates a visually harmonious layout that's easy to capture in a single poster-worthy image. Container composting is also trending hard this year. Forget massive compost bins. Today's composters come in sleek, odor-sealed designs, perfect for small apartments. Kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells can be turned into nutrient-rich soil right in your home. Some countertop composters even accelerate decomposition using heat or aerobic systems. This closed-loop system means less waste and healthier plants. You can create a cycle where your kitchen fuels your garden and your garden feeds your kitchen. This concept, often called closed-loop microfarming, is at the heart of sustainable gardening movements now hitting mainstream audiences. Lastly, gardening in 2025 is becoming deeply integrated with digital tools. Smartphone apps now offer plant recognition, watering reminders, light tracking, and real-time disease diagnostics via image uploads. Smart pots that monitor soil moisture and send alerts to your phone are more affordable than ever. For those creating indoor gardens, LED grow lights with programmable timers and adjustable spectrums help simulate natural sunlight. There's even a growing community of app gardeners who share screenshots of their digital gardening dashboards on social media. Technology is removing the guesswork and making gardening not only easier, but more visually appealing and shareable, ideal for podcasters and content creators alike.